Railcar spills are a serious concern for railroad operators, chemical companies, and environmentalists. The trains are getting bigger and towing more and more tanker cars. In 2013, more crude oil was spilled in U.S. rail incidents than was spilled in the previous 37 years. The new UltraTrack pan composite models are spill containment pans that are designed to combat leaks and spills from tanker cars, locomotives, and other rail cars. The 20-foot-long pans are made of composite materials that are heavy-duty but light enough that they can be installed without machinery. The track pan systems are typically made up of two main components, center pans and side pans. Depending on the need at the installation site, center pans can be used alone, with side pans on either side or on just one side. The system is completely modular. Installation is quick and easy. Center pans can simply be placed in between the rails in the desired location. There is no excavation required beforehand and no further steps necessary once the center pan is in place. For side pans, a heavy-duty steel rail clip is required to ensure that the pan stays in place during day-to-day operations. These rail clips are quickly installed using standard hand tools. Optional gaskets can be used to help seal off any UltraTrack pan system. This patented feature uses closed-cell polyethylene foam gaskets that are inserted between the rail and the pans to prevent any spills from flowing onto the ballast below the pans. UltraTrack pans can be connected to allow spills to travel from one pan to the next. In this patented system, the 3-inch flow-through ports allow spilled liquids to freely travel from pan to pan. Pans are secured to one another using a 2-part adhesive. Optional seam covers are available to help prevent leaks from seeping between pans. For installations where the containment capacity is not sufficient, below-grade piping can be installed to route spilled fluids to holding tanks or other containment areas. The optional drain manifold can be installed to allow one drain field tie-in for each set of pans. The manifold is quickly and easily installed using a 2-part adhesive. There is no field welding required and no bulkhead fittings or connections are needed. Each manifold is equipped with a flushing port that can be used to remove any obstructions from the manifold. The UltraTrack pans are designed for long-term service and can be installed in almost any rail area. And unlike some containment products, they're designed to be installed even with pandrolls, bolts, or spikes present. The composite UV-resistant materials used on the pans provide excellent hydrocarbon resistance and have slip-resistant, non-skid surfaces for safer walking and transit. UltraTrack pans have excellent chemical compatibility, but custom materials are also available for those exceptions where our standard product does not offer sufficient resistance. Optional grating is also available for safer personnel transit. The UltraTrack pan's composite model provides effective spill containment for rail cars and locomotives that is economical, easy to install, and versatile for a wide range of railroad applications.